So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to register and deposit crypto in Bybit. So to do this is pretty simple. So here we have our login in bybit.com. So go to the login. So you'll have to sign up obviously. So you can do this using your Apple ID or Google account to make it easier. So just sign up basically, and from here you can use your email or mobile number. So you can also add a referral code. It's pretty optional. If you don't have one, it's okay. So you can sign up with your Google and Apple like I said earlier to make it more easier. So let's say you have already just registered quickly. The second thing you'll have to do to deposit and sell crypto basically and do spot tradings is actually trying to upgrade your account and verify it. So here, as you can see, I have my account ready, and you have to complete an identity verification right now. So basically all you have to do from there is actually just submit some government IDs. It'll verify you pretty quickly, scan your ID, and from there it's pretty simple. So you can buy crypto with P2P trading right here. So you can also sell and spot trade. So it's just like what it says, buy and sell on the spot. So you can check it out right here. It's just that simple. So here you can buy and sell crypto at what the market pace is right now. So as you can see here in my Bybit, I can look at the price right now, which is actually $67,744.42 as we speak right now. So you can then enter that quantity right here, or you can enter the amount in USDT to get started and start trading basically. So there you go guys, this is just a simple tutorial on how you use your Bybit for your own purpose. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.